On my channel, we're gonna be reviewing soda. Which one are we talking about? Coca-Cola Oreos. Let's get into it. I wonder if it really does taste like Oreos. I got the minis, you know what I'm saying? Got the little minis, you know what I'm saying? Get into the crack, so we don't come back. It smells like if you was like leave some Oreos and some Coke. That's what I'm smelling right now. Let's get into it. Cheers. It tastes like Oreos. That's crazy. Fizzy cookie soda. Hell yeah. For more content like this, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.